This place always feels like magic under the neon.
It's like the city's giving us a hug, isn't it? No.
Zia, what are you doing?
Just adding a little excitement to the night.
We've got to stop her before she wrecks the whole boardwalk.
I've got the plates. Go for the cart.
Okay, you win. But wasn't that fun? Fun?
You nearly turned the harbor into a dessert disaster. Well, at least the desserts still taste great. And we've got the sweetest memory to go with it. Thanks for joining us tonight. Come back soon, okay?